Hi guys, this is Yajin and welcome back to my channel ACCA and beyond. In the series of videos of which I'm going to be talking about different commerce degrees, and today's topic or today's commerce degree which we are going to be talking about is CMA India. So what is CMA India about? So the Cost and Management Accountant is a professional qualification offered by the Institute of Accountants of India, or the ICMAI. The course focuses on cost accounting, management accounting, financial management, taxation, auditing, and strategic business decision making. The primary objective of CMA India is to train professionals who can help organizations control cost, improve efficiency, manage finances, and make informed business decisions. The course is divided into three levels: CMA Foundation, the first level, the entry level. This stage introduces students to the fundamentals of business laws and ethics, business mathematics and statistics, fundamental accounting, business economics, and management. Now, the second level, which is the CMA Intermediate, this level builds on the basics and covers topics such as financial accounting, cost and management accounting, direct and indirect taxation, corporate and business laws, financial management, operations management, auditing, and strategic management. The third level, or the CMA final level. This level focuses on advanced concepts including corporate financial reporting, strategic cost management, direct and international taxation, corporate laws and compliance, strategic financial management, cost and management audit, business valuation, risk management, and performance management. Overall, CMA India is a qualification that combines accounting, costing, finance, taxation, auditing, and business strategy. It prepares students to analyze cost, improve business performance, and support management in making effective financial and operational decisions. Now, let's talk about the exam structure. As you already know, the exam is divided into three levels, which is your foundation, intermediate, and final. The CMA Foundation is the entry level examination and consists of four papers, which is your fundamentals of business laws and business communication, fundamentals of financial cost and accounting, fundamentals of business mathematics and statistics, and fundamentals of business economics and management. The foundation exam is objective based or MCQ based with 50 questions in each paper, carrying 100 marks per paper. Now, the CMA Intermediate is, let's talk about CMA Intermediate. After clearing the foundation level or through direct entry, if eligible, students move on to the intermediate level. It consists of two groups with four papers in each group, making a total of 8 papers. The papers are primarily descriptive with objective type questions included as prescribed by ICMAI. Each paper carries 100 marks and is conducted over 3 hours. The CMA final level. The final level also consists of two groups containing 4 papers for a total of 8 papers. Like the intermediate level, each paper is 100 marks following a 3-hour examination format and test students on advanced concepts in costing, financial management, taxation, auditing, corporate laws, and strategic management. Overall, to become a qualified cost and management accounting or CMA, students must successfully clear the foundation, intermediate, and final levels and complete the practical training requirements prescribed by ICMAI. So, what is one of the most common questions students have is, when should I start CMA India? And are there any exemptions available? For most students, the ideal time to begin is right after class 12. You can register for the CMA Foundation and start your professional journey early while pursuing your graduation alongside the course. This is the route followed by the majority of the CMA aspirants. However, if you've already completed a recognized bachelor's degree, you don't necessarily have to start from the foundation level. Eligible students can directly register for the CMA intermediate level, allowing them to save both time and effort. ICMI also provides exemptions for a candidate holding certain professional qualifications. For instance, students who have cleared the CS Foundation are exempt from the CMA Foundation, and vice versa. Additional exemptions may also be available for candidates with qualifications such as CA, engineering, and other recognized professional courses, depending on the eligibility criteria prescribed by the ICMAI. So, the best time to start depending on where you are in your academic journey. If you are in class 12 and already know that CMA is the right path for you, starting immediately after school is usually the fastest option. And if you already have a degree or another professional qualification, make sure to check whether you're eligible for any exemptions before registering. It could help you skip a level and complete the course more efficiently. Now, the CMA India fees. The total cost depends on the level you're entering and whether you choose self-study or coaching. There are two main components. The first, the official fees which you pay to ICMI, are the coaching and additional study materials if you choose to enroll with a coaching institute. So, the official ICMAI fees. The CMA Foundation registration is for 6,000 rupees. Around this, these are the approximate figures, okay? The CMA Intermediate registration is 23,100, and the CMA final registration is around 25,000. In addition to the registration fees, students also need to pay examination fees for each attempt. The foundation fee is 1,500 rupees, intermediate is 2,800, and final is 3,200 rupees for both groups. Again, for intermediate, 2,800 was for both groups. So the total cost, if you're relying mainly on the official ICMAI study material, the entire qualification can be completed for around 60,000 to 70,000 in official fees. However, if you opt for coaching classes, test series, and additional study materials, resources, the overall cost generally falls between 1.5 lakh and 3 lakh depending on the institute and the mode of learning you choose. So, who should pursue ICMIA India? So, the CMA India is an excellent choice for students who enjoy working with numbers and are interested in understanding how business manage their cost, finances, and overall performance. This course is ideal for those who want to go beyond basic accounting and learn how financial information is used to make strategic business decisions. You will likely enjoy CMA India if you have an interest in accounting, finance, and costing. Enjoy analyzing numbers and solving practical business problems like subjects such as financial management, cost accounting, and business strategy. Want to understand how companies improve profitability, control cost, and make financial decisions. I prefer a career that combines analytical thinking with business management. On the other hand, if you have a stronger interest in corporate law, legal compliance, or governance, then CS may be better fit. Similarly, if your primary interest lies in auditing and taxation, you may find other professional qualifications more aligned with your goals. Ultimately, CMA India is best suited for students who enjoy finance and analysis and want to play a key role in helping businesses make smarter financial and strategic decisions. Now, let's answer the question that most students are curious about. What is the future scope of CMA India, and what kind of salary can you expect? And does it have opportunities outside of India? So, let's start with India. CMA India is highly respected professional qualification, especially in industries where cost control, financial planning, budgeting, and performance management play a major role. Qualified CMAs are hired by manufacturing companies, multinational corporations, consulting firms, banks, PSUs, and government organizations. They work in roles such as cost accountant, management accountant, financial analyst, internal auditor, finance manager, and business analyst. When it comes to salary, it's important to keep realistic expectations. Your package will depend on factors such as the skills, experience, locations, attempts, and company you join. As a fresher, many CMAs begin their careers with salaries ranging from 4 to 8 lakh per annum. While candidates placed in top companies or through campus placements may receive higher packages. With a few years of experience, professions often move to a senior finance and management roles with higher salaries. Now let's talk about international opportunities. CMA India is primarily designed for Indian business environment, sorry. So it is most valuable within India. However, that doesn't mean there are no opportunities abroad. has international collaborations, overseas centers, and mutual recognition arrangements that can support career mobility. Professionals with strong experience in costing, management accounting, finance, and business analysts may also find opportunities in countries such as the UAE, UK, Singapore, and other regions, particularly with multinational companies. However, unlike qualifications specifically designed for a global practice, CMA India alone does not automatically qualify you to work abroad. Your work experience, skills, and the employer's requirement will play a significant role. So, is CMA India worth it? If you're interested in costing, finance, business analysis, and helping companies improve profitability, CMA India is an excellent professional qualification with a strong term prospects in India. And if you aspire to work internationally, combining CMA India with relevant work experience and additional global exposure can further strengthen your chance. At the end of the day, remember that no qualification guarantees a high salary. Your technical knowledge, practical skills, internships, communication, and continuous learning will have the biggest impact on your career growth. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe it to with your friends or anyone else. Please drop down in the comment section your suggestions for the next commerce degree which I should talk about. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.